All right, so like I said yesterday, you probably couldn't see, had a little accident right in here where this was actually knocked off. So you notice blue, nothing, blue, nothing. So went and bought the whole piece for it. My intention was to change the bike a whole different color, but most of the websites, because of the coronavirus, COVID-19 situation, they're not shipping out the fairings. So you can pay for them, but you have to wait several months. And I said, I'm not gonna wait months to ride my bike. I'll just buy that piece and keep it moving. And that's what I'm about to do now. So I'm gonna unscrew these black screws and take this off. And I have another piece, put that on. Just watch. I won't bore you, so like I said, I'm gonna take this off, show you how it looks, and then I'll show you the new piece once I put it on. All because of